Good morning, guys. Did you see that? A big old beet. We're going to cut into it. We're going to taste it, and we're going to see if it's hollow. This is how we're growing our beets with the regenerative method in our soil. Go ahead, honey.
We'll see if it turned bitter.
Yeah, we're going to see if it turned bitter. Ooh. Yeah, he's going to have to do this. I can't. We might have to get the chainsaw.
Ooh, so
Look at that.
All right, well, I think what I'll do is I'll just do this. Man, that is a big son of a gun. Ooh.
It's bigger than a cantaloupe. Holy moly. It is not hollow.
No, so let me... Yeah, it's still pretty good. It's not as sweet as the little ones were, but yeah, it's still sweet.
So it
Yeah,
looks
that's
like,
still good.
is it?
Yeah, that's still good.
Looks like we're going to be having roasted beets for dinner tonight. We have some more out there that are getting real close to this size.
Let's see.
That's a beet that'll feed a family reunion for sure.
Oh, that's a big one. Oh, funny. You figure after you get to this size,
It might get woody or something.
well, they usually do. You know, when you let like a zucchini
Yeah.
go too long, or a squash, how it turns to wood. So, I don't know. I wouldn't call myself an experienced beet farmer, but this one didn't turn to wood. So maybe they don't. Oh.
So there you have it. Is that the world's largest beet? Have you ever grown almost a 7-pound beet?
You can if you use
You can.
If you use regenerative.
Regenerative farming, which means we're farming with living soil. So thanks for watching, guys. Let us know the biggest beet you've ever grown. We're curious to know. And yeah, we have some more out there. Don't know if we're going to make beet powder in the freeze dryer or if I'm going to pickle some more up. Also, there's something else we might make with it, and I will not mention it right now, but stay tuned and see if we make this probiotic rich beet stuff. Take care. God bless. See you soon.